How to delete a wallpaper on your Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how to delete a wallpaper on Android. So if you have also set it up your wallpaper on Android from gallery section, so just head over to your gallery and choose the particular image which you have stored as a wallpaper, and basically just tap on this delete button, or you can also just long press from your outside menu over here and just tap on this delete button to actually remove your photo just like this from your gallery. And once you successfully do that, you should be successfully deleting your wallpaper on Android. But in some of the devices it's not working because you have set it the particular photo on a different times rather than this current time. So in that case you must change your wallpaper rather than deleting it. So you can just choose any of the other photos. So let's say I choose this photo over here. Now I'll simply tap on this three dot icon over here at the top right corner and just tap on this set as wallpaper and just choose home screen because that is our home screen. And once you are satisfied, just click on done, and just like that you have successfully changed your wallpaper or removed your wallpaper as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.